I don't usually do unboxing videos. My friends at GitHub sent me a little care package. And I'm really excited. I wonder what I've got. Maybe a cap. You know I like to wear GitHub swag, but some of mine are getting a little bit old. So it's good to get a refresh. Let's have a look. Sarah! Can I get a sharp knife, please, to open my big box?
Here you go. Oh, actually, I don't think you can use this unsupervised, so I better come and sit next to you. There you go.
You know this is GitHub stuff?
Yeah.
This is not anything else.
Yeah.
You're not interested in GitHub stuff. Where'd you get that from? Which good-looking, geeky guy gave that to you? Oh, it must have been me.
Careful, you don't want to rip something in the box.
I'm really excited, it's like Christmas. Welcome to brown paper. That's yours. That's not how you treat a gift from someone. What do we have here? Dun, dun, dun. Do you like it?
I do.
Oh, you can have it. Let me just get it out and then you can have it. There you go.
Okay, that's mine. It's even got the whiskers.
So many stickers. Ta-da!
Look at this one. Look at that one.
Very cool. So many.
So that's my one. I think I should have this one too, because you know I help you sometimes with the filming.
You usually break stuff. Another pack.
Okay, so these are all mine.
Okay, what else do we have? Ta-da! Iron Man style t-shirt that has got my name on it.
Yeah, but it's more my size, so.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I gave them my size. So how can it be more your size? Okay, this is blue.
Blue.
Whatever it is.
So it's my favourite colour, blue, so I should have whatever is in the box too.
Okay, you can have the box. There you go. You don't even drink tea. Now. Don't know what it is, but look, it's got...
That's pretty cool.
This is gonna be like...
Can I have that box?
You can have the plastic bag around the box, yes.
Thanks.
Look at that.
Oh,
It's like sealed.
I know, but I don't want
With a sticker. What is it? What is it?
Do you want a hand?
No! That's yours.
Okay.
I don't want to break the seal.
I know, I don't want you to even...
What does it say? What does it say?
Tento Cat. So for the last 10 years, you've shared, tinkered and built on GitHub from all around the world. Now, celebrate your accomplishments so far with a limited edition Octocat that's as bright and sparkly as you. After all, you've achieved quite a bit. You've kicked off careers, founded businesses, built your passion projects, dreamed up extraordinary inventions, and so much more. Together, you're defining the next generation of software. You're creating a not so distant future that's shiny and full of possibilities, a future we can't wait to be part of. Slowly, carefully. Maybe do the other side.
It needs to be opened by an open source developer. How's your GitHub account?
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
Those are the whiskers.
I'm really nervous.
I know, I am too.
Well, this is epic.
That is so cool. Okay, if I hold on to the... That is really, really cool. Okay, then we need to...
Welcome to winning the Octo Cup. Octo Cup! How cool! Oh, there's a cup there, I know. But like, you know, Mario World?
Yes! Gotta put the whiskers on.
Told you not to lose any.
I think the thinner bit goes in, right?
Yeah. Does it go forwards or backwards? I don't know how to do it.
Let me have a go.
You're gonna break it. It looks like this.
me. I'm doing whisker surgery. Okay, there you go.
Awesome. Okay, put it here. Didn't break it. And then look, watch this. Dum da dum da dum da dum da dum. Tea tastes good. GitHub juice for champion. Oh, did I bash it?
Yes.
Sorry, Mr. Octocat. Oh my God, have you seen the surfing one?
That's pretty cool. Look at this one, black to cats. That's so cool.
So many.
There's so many old astronaut ones. Look at this one.
Oh, show me, show the camera.
Sorry.
Oh, look at this one, pair programming.
This one's my favourite, playing dodgeball.
So cool.
Heads up!
What else is in this box? Did you come from GitHub? Are you a GitHub fan too? Hello. Do you want a toy from GitHub? Here you go. Sarah, look what I've got. Are you well jealous? Look at this. It's going to sleep next to me in bed.
Yeah, no, that's mine.
What do I get?
You want a plushie?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, have this plushie.
Ah! This one's alive!
That's very cool. And then put the whiskers on it.
Almost dropped it. The stress. Nom 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 nom.
Don't break my Octocat plushie.
Nom. How is it all yours? You came brought an... Oh my God, you just broke it!
I didn't! It's... Heads up! Heads up!
I wasn't ready! Wait for the signal, count to 5!